but it gotta be from
the wax.
The White Castles.
Oh wait.
I remember when I turned it, yeah, it had to be. But it's whatever. Going to one of my favorite Vietnamese spots in Brooklyn. Ooh. The time I'm sitting down, I'm not walking all the way over there. You can't go through this way. Yeah, but you just gonna have a seat? You don't want to tell them you're sitting out here?
This is okay. You're not hot enough. It's really hot, guys. But we're gonna need some Vietnam food.
I don't know why we waited to this day. It's hot as heck.
This is what Day does. He chooses the hottest days all the time whenever we come here to eat. But at least they have the umbrellas out.
Yeah, because last time we came, didn't have this.
I like how you're holding it like it's protected.
Are they gonna come out or no?
Thank you.
Looks expensive.
Ready? Take you back to this crispy spring roll.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and you just want the pork chop?
The pork with the white rice, yeah.
Yeah.
Pork chop?
Yeah, pork chop with white rice.
Mm-hmm. 2 orders or one?
Yeah, 2 of them.
So pork chop and 1 spring roll.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you forgot.
Just finished eating the Vietnamese food. About to probably go for a drive. Maybe a bike ride. I can't do too much of that. But my legs still hurting, so I don't know about all that. So my belly look mad big. Look at me. I look pregnant. Oh man.
Thank God you have this shade.
Dark tints for the win.
Under the tree.
I know the videos is looking like they're slowing down just a little bit, but they're not. I'm actually hurt. My pelvis, what is it called?
Hip bone.
Hip bone, pelvis area is kind of messed up right now, so I'm walking with a limp. So therefore, I can't really be as active as I should be. But stay tuned though, because we're still going out to do things. We just came from eating at the Vietnamese spot, and now we're going to get our nails done. Nails and feet done. Why this dude swerving up the block like that? Boy, you better pay attention to the road. But yeah. How do you let your car get like that?
The other day. Yeah, like dummies be dummies.
They tased him. The one.
That nigga ain't got no socks on, no nothing. He tried to get missing.
He's big.
That nigga tried to get missing.
But you can still include it. They do that.
Yeah, I know, but I don't like doing that. Gotta get the dogs done. You know what I'm saying? This part tipped me so much, I don't know how I put up with it. I'm heading up in my city. Yo, if these buildings was clean, these beige buildings over here on West 5th, like, it wouldn't look so bad over here. And they put a few palm trees over here. Still look like no, over here on Coney Island, on West 5th and what is this, Ocean Parkway?
No, this is Neptune Avenue.
I mean Neptune.
Vitalichka.
Huh?
I don't know what else. You're saying Neptune.
Her
On
parents.
West 5th, by the cycle, a couple blocks down from the cyclone.
It sounds familiar, but I can't
Clouds are
remember.
heavenly right now. What'd you say?
That's 5 blocks down from the cyclone.
I see it, 'cause I see your car right
Yeah.
You see me?
now. Yeah.
Where the hell you see me
Fucking
at?
left lane.
I hear you, but I don't
heard
see it.
him.
You better swing ready.
Oh, I'm about to do a U-turn. Well, I'm about to go stop at here and get my funnel cake, because that's what the fucking came out there for.
What did you put them in?
Let me know how much the cotton candy is.
Man, shitty. Wait, they closed the freak show spot now? Or is it just closed now?
Oh.
I don't know. I got this is mad shit that just look like it's closed.
I ain't never see this spot right here, this pina colada spot right here.
That's the one I was telling you about, bro.
My
That's what I was
kids are
gonna get the funnel cake at from at first, but you said it was another spot.
It's like
Yeah, I never
cuties
seen
and your
that
kids
spot.
are cute. We didn't eat. We weren't just eating. No,
Oh, she's dragging
we're
that
driving
big ass
from.
banana.
We're in Coney Island right now to pick up the funnel cake.
To be honest, I thought Luna Park was further down, and I don't remember this shit coming all the way out to like the street.
That's all the extensions they did and all
Yeah, you got an extra air compressor
What?
in your car.
that. No, I think I got probably something in the
Yeah.
trunk though. Some spray or something.
You know if they coming anytime soon?
He's right there.
Oh,